Thank you, Glenn, for providing the reference photo of Multipurpose Canine Flex. His heroism and Corporal Sonka will not be forgotten. Flex was a Belgian Malinois born on December 26, 2010 and was killed in action in 2013. He was a multi-purpose canine who served with the Marine Special Operations Command. Glenn had this to say about Flex and Corporal Sonka. In 2013, after Flex's extensive training with his handler, Corporal David Sonka, both were deployed to the Farah Province, Afghanistan, with Marine Special Operations Team 8223. On May 4, 2013, while providing overwatch for a meeting between Special Operations Forces and Afghan military personnel, an Afghan Army soldier opened fire, mortally wounding both Flex, who was 3 years old, and Corporal Sonka, who was 23 years old. Flex was the recipient of the Order of the Purple Paw. Steadfast and loyal, Multipurpose Canine Flex was and will forever be at Corporal David's side.